While traveling, I always like bringing less with me, just because it can do more. When it comes to power banks, wall plugs, and cables, that can take up some serious bag space. Sometimes if I'm out on a shoot all day, 8 hours a day, away from a wall plug and just have my small bag with me, really I cannot bring much. Which, this does come in handy. It can do everything I need it to do, and then some more. A simple all-in-one device, and the only device I need to bring with me on any day trip. Hey, welcome back, it's V, let's go. This is very interesting. This easily eliminates 3 or 4 devices for myself. This is a 10,000 milliamp power bank, and it also doubles as a wall plug and a USB-C cable built in. Essentially, this is all you would really need while going away for a day. A perfect hybrid device that offers very little bulk and has some much needed versatility. Right now, this can be picked up off Amazon for around $50, listed down below. I've been rocking this for about 6 months, and it's still going strong. This will work with about anything with USB Type-C. The only love it doesn't get is anything with a lightning port. This can easily charge my iPhone, my iPad, headphones, my laptop, my camera, microphones, and anything else under the sun. Personally, this can charge anything while I'm on the go. Inside the box, you have the instructions, the power bank. It's really nothing too crazy or too exciting. This comes in around 300 grams. For comparison, my iPhone 16 Pro Max comes in around 258 grams, and they are both similar in size and weight. For size comparison, I have my main power bank, which lives with me, which is 26,000 milliamp, and my 125 watt wall plug. The power bank alone is big enough to be registered with a few 3-lettered agencies, toss in a few different Type-C cables, and I really have a bunch of extra gear to haul around. Sometimes I just want something more pocket friendly and an all-in-one device, just itself, and not having to bring anything extra. The power bank has enough juice to get all my gear through a day or two, which everything is Type-C, which it is built in, so it's one cable for everything. Unplugged, the maximum charging speed is 35 watts, and plugged into a wall, the charging speed is 65 watts. Granted, it's not the biggest battery or the fastest charger, but overall, I'm looking at the form factor. This will charge my phone in about an hour, my iPad in about 2 hours, and my laptop in about 2 to 3 hours with it being plugged in. With this form factor, being an all-in-one device does have a few extra ports on the front side. It has a full-size USB-A port and a Type-C port. Alongside that has a power button, a small screen for the battery level, and the backside has a flip out for the wall plug. Underneath has a small Type-C cable, which it's not a bad thing. I do wish it was retractable and longer. Charging this can be done a few different ways. The fastest is the AC port, and that will take about an hour. Charging via the Type-C cable will take about 3 to 4 hours. This can also charge other devices at the same time while it is being charged. Personally, if I know I'm going to be away for a few days, I don't really need to bring much. This is the only device which will go in my bag. Even if I'm shooting a wedding for 8 hours straight in the middle of nowhere, Ohio, this can easily charge all my batteries, even if no wall plugs are present. When I am out and about, I do like bringing this with me for the simple fact which it is self-contained, and I don't need to bring anything else. While traveling, on safari, doing a shoot, or just going away for a few days, I prefer to bring some charging device with me for the simple fact I have commitment issues with anything under 20%. This needs itself and nothing extra. It offers a big enough battery and port selection for myself and my gear for the day. With a price point only about $50, it's not overly expensive. This device is my 3rd or 4th lifeline and should be one of yours also. So like always, it's V, stay classy.